Hello and welcome to A VO's Journey. My name is Anthony Pica. This show is all about helping the new and upcoming voiceover artists grow their business and sidestep all the crazy things that I seem to step on. Well, you can see I'm in the booth again, and today I've got another special show. We're going to go ahead and I'm just going to show you how I can make this job I'm going to do is from Fiverr. I'm going to make $35, okay, in literally like a minute or two. And it's a lot of fun. I think the thing is, and this is what I find exciting about Fiverr, and or just websites that are bringing the world together. So this particular job is from a Girl Scout Troupe, and they're just having fun putting a little presentation together for their Girl Scout Troupe. And it's a single parent doing it, and I think that it's cool that I can give professional voiceover services to, anyone, not just massive size companies. And I think that's something I love about doing voiceover on these platforms. I do voiceovers for big companies too that spend a lot of money with me, but at the same time, I love the freedom of being able to do something like this. So I want to dive in. It's real fun. I'm going to play two different cookies. So let's see if I can get to the right. Here we go. Okay, so you can see here, this is the job. I'm not going to raise it up too high, but you can see it's $35. It's under 100 words, and basically I'm going to be playing. This is there for their daughter's Girl Scout video. I'm going to be playing S'mores, which is an oafish character like Patrick from SpongeBob, and then I'm going to be Caramel Chocolate Chew, which I think is chocolate chip, self-confident, heroic, think Zap Branningham from Futurama. But anyways, I'm going to kind of come up with my own characters here, and we're going to go ahead and do this. So basically, if I come in here, we've got Thin Mint, we've got the Girl Scout. So my first line here is from S'mores. I'm going to just record this on one thing, and I was thinking more like a voice could be, hi, that's right. This is the last year before they discontinue me, and I cease to exist. I think I'm going to do kind of, because he's supposed to be clueless and kind of, but upbeat. So, that's right. This is the last year before they discontinue me, and I cease to exist. Okay, so that was just a voice I came up with, just like that. A lot of fun. I love doing voices. Okay, here's the next one, Caramel Chocolate Chip, and I'm assuming that's what they mean by chocolate chew. So let's see. The next one is Proud and Confident. Don't forget me, Cookie Crew, Caramel Chocolate Chip, the gluten-free option. So he's heroic. Maybe, don't forget me, Cookie Crew. Don't forget me, Cookie Crew. Caramel chocolate chip, the gluten-free option, made with sweet and chewy. Now, I'm assuming this is cut off here. Let's see, toast, yay, Thin Mint, shortbread, Thin Mint, S'mores, caramel. So, cool thing here is I'm going to go ahead and do, since it's all of them, looks like close-up of shortbread, bite out of part of their head. She looks confused and speaking faintly. So, I can't feel my crust. Everybody kind of goes, ah! So we're just going to go, so remember, S'mores is, oh! Now, because of this, I'm going to back up. Oh! Right, and I'm going to try to shape my voice as I'm yelling. This is something that I work with a lot of people, too, because when we're trying to yell and stuff, we can get overloaded and stuff. So what I'm going to do is I'm kind of play with my mouth a little bit, so I still make the noises, but I'm not, all of the volume, the level, the pressure is not going this way. It's kind of maybe spreading around. So let me tell you. Oh! Okay, now that's hard because even here on this, you could tell that it's still kind of overloaded. Oh! All right, so if I go ahead and here, I can actually highlight that, hit auto repair. Let's see. Oh! That actually sounds pretty good. As opposed to what it was before. And then, of course, Caramel Chew, right? He's very almost British. So, ah! No. Ah! Oh! Let's see. Oh! All right. Oh! All right, and I think for this one, You know what I mean? We probably could even, I'm going to go in here, just have some fun. I'm going to go and even raise the pitch just a little bit. Oh! Let's see. Oh! Oh! All right, cool. So we've got the scream. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to come through here and we're going to go ahead and I'm in the middle of a stream. Thank you, honey. Everything's fine. Oh, that's like, my son. Apparently, he's worried about me. So anyways, let's go back down to Schmores' Game Over, man. Game over. All right, let's see. Game over, man. Let's see. We got to go back. This is a cool thing if you forget the voice. That's right. This is the last year. So game over, man. Game over. Game over, man. Game over. Okay, cool. So that was that. And that looks like that's it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come in here. I'm going to hit my B key, which remember I've got a wireless keyboard in here and a wireless mouse. Outside is my editing station, but I can edit everything in here as well. And we're going to make sure, we're going to double check here to make sure that loop is on. And then let's see. That's right. This is the last year before they discontinue me and I cease to exist. Don't forget me, Cookie Crew. Okay, so so clearly I've got some overloads here. I love this option to be able to... Don't forget me, Cookie. So I got a couple of... And this is something that I use is auto repair to heal any of the issues that I have. Don't forget me, Cookie Crew. Okay, so that's actually pretty good. Caramel chocolate chip, the gluten-free option, made with sweet and chewy. So now here's something that I feel like I like to do sometimes. And like I was saying before, I like to mess with the pitch. Don't forget me, Cookie Crew. Caramel chocolate chip, the gluten-free option, made with sweet and chewy. So I actually like that because it makes it go up some. Sweet and chewy. Oh! Oh! Right? I think I'm liking the switch and the pitch, personally. I think it gives it even more of a change. Oh! Game over, man! Game over! Game over, man! Game over! Okay, cool. So I'm going to go ahead and literally, let's see. So what I do is whenever I go ahead and save a new file for the day, I always save it in my external hard drive, list it, Fiverr 2/11/21. I'm going to title it Cookie Crew. And there we go. I usually put some initial stuff, put the date so I can remember. So I title it this way to everything. I save it as a WAV file in this backup file so that I can find these files a lot easier. All right, I'm going to go ahead and save that. I'm going to come up here and I'm going to go ahead and deliver this. And let's see, go to backup file, Cookie Crew, deliver. I have a lightning response. I'm going to say your order is delivered. I'm going to hit the done button and that's it. That is how you do it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it. Please like and comment. This was a fun job. I know that, this is only, $35, but it was it was a blast. I had fun. I helped out a Girl Scout Troupe and, they're going to have fun with it, I'm sure. And, it's pretty good. It's a lot of fun. And I'm super happy and blessed that I can help them just like I can help Ford or BMW. All right, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, please like and subscribe. And if you are interested in learning more about Fiverr and growing your business, we have a wonderful group called Fiverr Elite. I know it's called Elite, but it's meant for everyone, for brand new people who don't even have a gig up yet, to people who've been on there for a while and want to grow their business. We help the newbies. We help the people who've been on there for a while with analytics, marketing, voice acting, all sorts of stuff. We meet Wednesdays and Saturdays. Wednesdays at 5 p.m. Eastern, Saturdays at 10 a.m. Eastern. Love to have you. There'll be a link below, and you can always check out at voisjourney.com. Thank you guys so much. You have a wonderful, wonderful day. I will see you guys tomorrow for Fiverr Friday. All right? Bye, you guys.